Start off, we're gonna prep 1 garlic clove, shallot, half onion. Everything's prepped, we're gonna move into browning our meat. Meat of choice, I went with Italian ground turkey and regular ground turkey. Also use beef or pork. That's brown, I added in my tomato paste and chicken broth. Good mix, and added in my tomatoes and my marinara sauce. Lastly, my lasagna noodles. While that cook, I prepped my cheese. Time to add in my heavy cream. Did a taste test and added a pinch of sugar. You're reminded to taste your food as you're cooking. And to tie this meal together, I made some garlic bread. And now for my favorite part, I added my cheese and green onions. Dinner was served. It was so delicious. I'm making loaded potato soup next week. What say you?